Well, hey friends, how's it going? Today I just want to show you in this video how to access your journal in iLit. Okay, so you will be working in iLit and responding to journal prompts every Tuesday and Thursday. This will help you practice your writing. We will use the conversation skills we learned last week and now write about them this week in your journal prompts. So, here's how to access your journal in iLit. Of course, go to www.learnilit.com, okay? And then from here, log in. And once you get logged in, you have a couple of different places here you can go. You can go to assignments, you can read books, okay? You can go to titles at my level. You can look at books that have been recommended, reviewed, okay? All kinds of cool books. So if ever you're looking for something to do, if you get a little bored, go check out and see if there's something you might want to read in iLit. But in the meantime, you have assignments to do, but not on Tuesdays and Thursdays. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I want you to work in your notebook. Okay, so here's the notebook. So far in the notebook, so down here on the bottom line here, you just click on notebook, and then on the, no, you can't put your thumb on it, silly. Don't put your thumb on it, you have to click on it. Okay, so you click on it and open it, all right? And the very first thing it opens to is your journal, okay? When you want to create a new journal page, just hit the plus, okay? And you'll put a title. The title of your journal is given to you in your activities, okay? So if you go now to step 2 and open up step 2, this tells you what your prompt is for the day, okay? So you'll type the title of your prompt, and that's given to you again in step number 2 in the playlist. Step 2 in the playlist gives you the title of your prompt, okay? And you don't have to worry about putting a date because the date will come over here, okay? So that's the title, and then down here you type your message. Okay? Now I would like as much of this, of course, to be in English as is possible. Okay, if you want to use your Google Translate, that's fine if you need to use Google Translate. But try to use just the simple structures that we learned about last week. You should, I am, are you, okay? And also using the verb have and has. We worked a little bit on past tense of be, was, and were, okay? So try to use just the simple patterns in English that we're learning, okay? So that you can get those down really well. All right, friends. So again, in iLit, when you're finished, make sure you hit Save Note, okay? Don't forget, you have to save the note right down here. If you don't save the note, then it doesn't save, okay? Duh. So save the note, and then, oh, great, my data was saved. Okay, now where do I go? What do I do? How do I get out of here? Oh, none plus. Oh, over here to the X. So the X takes you out. Ta-da! Okay, so one more time. When you log in here. It takes you to your library. Okay, don't go to assignments on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Go to your notebook. Notebook. Click on a button, and it opens right up to journal. Okay, there it is. And but this already. How do I start a new one? Oh, what's this? Oh, the plus. Hit the plus button, and you start a new note. Okay. When you're finished typing, title, save your note. That's fun. Okay, save your note. All right, guys. I hope to see you soon. Make sure you do your work. Bye!